Hello from Slovenia again. I will do a marble pour again. I already put down my black base coat. It's just black Amsterdam oxide black mixed with my pouring medium. And I was thinking that I will try to do 3 puddles of paint, and I will use fluorescent paints and try to do something, I don't know. And I will pour just a little black where I want my puddle to be. This is just the same black that I put on my use for my base, but I just want to have a little more here. Okay. And I am using Vallejo fluorescent paints. I think that they are much different than those craft paints, but this is just my thought. This was fluorescent green and fluorescent yellow and fluorescent orange, just to, I don't know, have some cheerful colors, and fluorescent magenta. These little bottles that I have, they are quite okay, but they produce a lot of air. Fluorescent violet and fluorescent blue. Okay, and I have that. I think that I have just enough paint for this, and I was debating whether I should use this middle sized one or little ones. Maybe can try both and see what will happen. Let's add the smaller one here and the bigger ones here. Okay, and let's do some pinball pour, like Lee from Massey Art Studio named this technique, but as I said in my previous videos, I was inspired by B.R. Turner art. So let's see. So obviously the smallest one will not play with me, so I will replace it. I think that these middle ones are the best for this pinball marble pouring technique, and don't need to kiss. Just go your own way. Definitely is different with 3 of them. I will just go back here a little bit because I want to break a little of those, I don't know. Where should I go now? Not exactly what I was going for. Definitely not easy with with more marbles, so I will just do another puddle here and go just with one, because and I went the opposite way, but doesn't matter a lot probably. Okay, let's see. I will turn this around that you will see what I'm doing. So I just want to stretch this a little bit more. I'm definitely not, I wasn't expecting this kind of result, so I'm still not completely happy. So I will just go once more with my marble. Maybe I will totally mess it up, but I just miss something and I don't know why. What? I will try with the smaller one now that it's not so many paint. So where I want to start, maybe here. Let's see. Okay, and now I'm more happy because it has some interesting look and composition and enough of negative space, and it's kind of a bird. Paradise in paradise, I don't know. I will just try to tilt a little more to this side and then bring it back. Just to stretch this a little more here. And I'm done. So I love this painting with the marbles technique or pinball technique, because you can really play with your composition and everything. So I love it, and I will definitely play much more with this, because I think that it's quite interesting. Do you see a bird? Of course it's abstract thing, but I totally see her head with some feathers, and she's, I don't know, have something here and a beautiful tail. See, I really like it. So thank you again, BR Turner, for the inspiration, because I think that you can do much more than just pinball pour. Amazing. So tell me what you think about it, and see you on the next one. Bye.